Alright, so this review is supposed to be for the Larinest 5.3 quart air fryer, professional air fryer with water atomizer. Check it out, guys. It's pretty big, and I got this from Amazon for $56. And I think it's pretty unique. You know, it's one of the first ones I've heard about having like a water atomizer on the thing, and that's where you put the water. Thought it was gonna be like the whole container, but looks like it's just that little compartment right there with you know, max level over there. And so yeah, I'm gonna fill it up. Basically, the instruction says only fill it up when you're about to use it, and then empty it out when you don't need to use it. So just pretty much box them like that. And so I'm gonna show you how it works. Plugged in, and nice screen on top. And ooh, look at that orange little LED thingy, and I thought it was like on. So yeah, we're gonna test it out with leftover pizza that I cooked the day before, and let's see how it makes it. Because you know, air fryers have like pizza mode, so let's see if it's gonna make it nice and crispy for us. And power button's on top, and there is that pizza mode over there. I was looking at it, and it goes 390 degrees at 9 minutes, and we'll fast forward when it's ready. And my chicken fingers trying to press the start button, and cut it out. So yeah, that's basically how it looks when it's heating up. You know, can't really see the water. And
Bruh.
yeah, so forgive the looks. It looks like you know, got a little burnt there. I did stop it at what, 4 minutes left, and because I saw like it was still burning, and sure enough it was black. But when I felt it, you know, it's not rock hard. It was still soft, and you could see me there. It's like crispy bottom, so it's exactly how I wanted it. And you know, I took a bite, and it's nice. So moving forward, I gotta show you guys this clip. Normally, I, you know, I will just stop. Barbecue, doritos, and then of course talking about can't believe what happens here, man. Yeah, freaked me out. There you go. So I thought this was very neat for you guys. My exact dinner